Hey everyone, Maggie Nolan here with Living Radiant Photography. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you guys how we prep our clients for engagement sessions, and I'm taking you into some of the pages of our engagement session style guide. So first and foremost, client management is a big thing in our house and in our business. We totally feel like if we prep our clients and our couples really well, their wedding day is so much better. So I'm gonna just share with you a couple things that we do to prep our couples for engagement session, okay? So number one, most couples go into the engagement session really nervous. It's very rare to have people who are like super excited, ready for anything. Most of them don't really know how to pose. Some of them don't know what to do or what to wear. So the first thing that we do is we actually find out when they envision their engagement photos, what do they actually envision? Where are they? Are they at the beach? Are they in town? Are they downtown? Are they on a farm? Are they with their animals, with their pets, with their horses, whatever, right? So that's first and foremost, because location is going to dictate a lot of the feel of the photos that they want. For example, our DC cherry blossom engagement sessions are going to look very, very different than our rural country sunflower sessions, right? Two different vibes, two different types of clients. Before we really prep them clothing wise and emotional wise and even posing wise, we want to make sure where they want to shoot. And we help, obviously, we suggest, we talk through rain plan. We ask all of our couples to send us 2 dates, option 1, and then option 2 is a rain date, and that's just because weather permitting, we really want to be outside. The other way we prep them is that we let them know that it's okay to be nervous. We let them know that most people go into the sessions really nervous, and that our goal is basically to help them work through them the first 10 to 15 minutes of the shoot. So if our engagement session is 2 hours, we get a good hour and 40 minutes of really great photos, because we know the first 15 might not be the best because they're a little bit awkward in front of the camera and we're still figuring out their dynamic with each other, okay? But I want to take you into a couple of the pages of our engagement session style guide. We made this because we were tired of grooms showing up in t-shirts. We had brides with we were trekking off through a DC and girls didn't bring a pair of shoes that were comfy. She was in high heels the whole time. I want to take you through some of these. This is just one of the pages that has to do with clothing. How cool if you dress up, get your hair and makeup done, get your nails done. Let me show you this segment about bringing pets. We love when people bring their animals, or we go to the farm where the horses live. That's just a neat way to incorporate pets. Like I said, you guys can download this with the link below. Be sure to subscribe. But this is we just want to share a little bit of how we prep our clients. We hope this was helpful, and we hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you back here next week.